right, we are heading out today, and usually we say fishing, but now we're gonna say catching. I like salmon, I don't like killing, so that's my part today. So we've got my little brother here.
Hello, hello.
He's fishing, and we got Dave back there.
We're catching today, not fishing.
Catching. So off we go.
Okay.
So, Chris, what are you fishing with today?
With a rod and reel, Missy.
You're so funny.
We're gonna fish probably flashers to catch some attention, and they're called Coho killers, so spoons. So
we're going for Coho.
I think so.
All right.
Hatchery Coho, of course.
Of course. Of course.
Yep. We'll see what else is out there.
All right.
Maybe some line caught.
Maybe some line caught. Here we go. All right. So today, I'm getting my instructions. I'm the driver today because I don't like the killing part. I may have mentioned that.
We need a competent driver.
All right. That's good.
Might be the
Keep
only
us
one
on
here.
course.
All right. What's the plan?
So the plan is you're going to head right for Thrasher Rock.
Oh, I can do that.
All right. And the only thing is you have to, on the screen you'll see there's a shallow part. You have to go around the shallow part. Keep us in the deep white part.
Roger that.
So we're gonna sort of head this way around it, and then hang a left when you get on the other side of it. So we now know you're heading and where you're gonna go. But what I've already engaged is the trolling mechanism. So you see the troll plus and minus. If we want to go faster, we just have to push plus plus plus. And if we want to go slower, we go minus minus minus. So you don't have to touch the throttle at all. You just control the speed by plus and minus.
Who taught you about that?
I had it on my old boat, and then I didn't realize how to engage it on the new boat, and Michelle Johnson.
Michelle. She's a fisher. Fisher extraordinaire.
She figured it out.
Good for her.
Okay.
Okay. Right, I'm here with Brendan Morrison. No, I mean Dave. Shout out to Brendan. We love your videos.
So
there we go.
We're
giving away all his secrets.
Off, and we are going to gently let it go into the ocean. And this is here to be able to grab the line and not go too far overboard.
All right.
I'm gonna actually shorten up a little bit. Now, the key is to let out just a little bit until the stopper, this here, when it reaches here, it stops automatically. So you want to place, and I don't know the name of this. You want to place that just there, so that when it stops, it doesn't get tangled up in the roller there.
All right, roger that.
And now we're ready to attach our line and drop our gear in the water.
Perfect.
Wish us luck.
Bon chance.
So today we are using a green flasher with a white hoochie.
The white hoochie.
White hoochie has been known to catching coho. And that's what we're fishing for today, is coho, not Chinook. Chinook is not open until July 15th. Cohos have been open since June the 1st. So, in it goes. I'm gonna need that.
We have to edit that out.
Okay, so in it goes. We want to put roughly about that amount of line out between the flasher and the cannonball.
5 meters. That much. So
All right.
Technical. Okay, I'm watching.
Cohos are, we've been fishing cohos about 47 feet on the downrigger. That's the secret. That's what I'm going to go down to.
All right.
So
You have a counter? You can go in close.
So I get down to my depth that I want. little bit. Now we're fishing.
Now we're fishing.
I actually put it at 53.
This is usually when I lose interest and start looking for killer whales. I promise I'd focus. Focus, Missy.
The downriggers, typically, speed is dictated by the angle of the downrigger. So if the downrigger line is at about a 45-degree angle, then you got the right speed. And in my opinion, we're at the right speed. And cohos generally like to you fish cohos a little faster than you would Chinook. So this is a good. I like the speed.
All right, 2.8 knots.
Yeah, and the knots don't mean anything. It's the angle of the.
Roger that.
Angle of the downrigger.
All right.
So my downrigger I've put at 53. Chris has his at 72. So basically the ball will float up a bit because of the speed. So we're gonna estimate that the deeper ball, Chris's ball here on this side, is probably about around 60, maybe 65 at the most.
All right.
So let's just make sure that if we get into waters, shallower than 70, then we want to adjust the downrigger balls and either bring them up.
Perfect. We're in 108.
Okay.
Look at this massive fish ball. Oh, here we go. Fish on!
Fish on! Look at that. You see the rod bouncing? That's what you're looking for.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's a real fish.
This might be a Chinook. It's fighting.
Oh yeah, there you go. Let it run.
Maybe we get a double header.
Come on. Here, fishy.
Come on now. Come on. We gotta see you. We don't want you to. We gotta see you. I just want to see it. Jiminy crickets. This thing is. This thing does not want to come to the boat. Idea is you gotta make sure you keep the tip up this. Oh, there he is.
There he is.
He just got to the surface.
It's like
Now you got the net out?
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, exciting.
Take a look at him. Oh, he's a good sized fish.
He is a good sized fish.
That might be a Chinook.
It's pretty green.
From the front. That's it. That's it.
Fish in the boat. Fish in the boat.
Now, so this is a Chinook, and he's got an adipose fin.
He's going back.
So he's going back. Okay, hold on to that.
All right, see the fish?
Ready?
Ready?
Bye-bye. Thanks for the run. That was fun.
All right, so our fishing, catching trip has turned into a boat ride. Very much the same way that my golf game often turns into a walk. But we're gonna speak to the audience and see what their opinions are. Christopher?
Yes. Currently a boat ride and fishing, but they're very similar.
What's your depth?
Happens.
What's your depth there?
I'm at 44 and a half, actually.
All right, we're gonna switch over here. Welly,
What's that?
update on your fishing.
Well, I'm just, the update is I'm watching for a bouncing rod.
This is gonna be one of the most boring videos I've ever done. All right, so that's the end of our fishing day. And you want to give us Cole's notes?
Well,
No excuses. What worked, what didn't?
The As You Wish Inconceivable Charter still maintains 100%. Whenever we go out, we catch fish. Now,
Are we having fish for
we're
dinner?
down to about 80% of the time we actually bring home fish, which means they're legal and of the right species.
But at the end of the day, are we having fish for dinner?
Well, at the end of the day, we have fish in the freezer to take out,
So the answer is no.
and but we
might have prawns.
We might have some prawns.
Chris, I need a little more insight than Dave's.
I think he's pretty accurate, but fish is still on the menu for dinner if desired.
What did you use today, and what did you switch to?
We switched between hoochies and the spoons, back and forth. Different color flashers.
I had a Coho killer. I had a Coyote killer. I had a white hoochie, and I had, just in case, I had a skinny G ready to go if need be. But we ended up pulling the plug.
All right. Well, it was a good day on the water.
Good day on the water.
All right, there we go. All right, so it won't be salmon for dinner, but it looks like it's going to be prawns for dinner.